Astra J infotainment problems are still common in 2025. Let's identify the main symptoms you might experience. The three main symptoms are complete black screen, intermittent audio loss, and system freezing or unresponsiveness. Now let's go through the basic diagnostic steps to identify the problem. Step 1. Perform a power cycle by disconnecting the car battery for 30 seconds. This clears temporary system errors. Step 2. Check fuses F36 for infotainment and F42 for audio. Blown fuses are a common cause of system failures. Next, we need to check the physical connections and temperature. Step 3. Inspect the wiring harness connections behind the unit for any looseness or damage. Step 4. Check if the unit is overheating, as excessive heat can cause system failures. These initial diagnostic steps can identify and resolve 60 to 65% of common Astra J infotainment problems, often pointing to simple fixes before more complex repairs are needed. When basic diagnostics don't resolve your Astra J infotainment issues, factory reset procedures are your next step. Different system types require different reset methods. For CD400 and CD600 systems, hold the power and home buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. The system will reboot automatically, taking 30 to 60 seconds to complete. Navigation systems require a different approach using engineering mode access. If software resets fail, battery disconnection provides a complete system reset. When reset methods fail, professional repair becomes necessary. Common hardware issues include capacitor degradation and LED backlight failures. Understanding success rates helps set realistic expectations for different repair approaches. Cost-effective alternatives include refurbished units and modern aftermarket upgrades with Android Auto and CarPlay compatibility. These repair methods provide multiple pathways to restore your Astra J infotainment system functionality, from simple resets to complete system upgrades.